Businessman in Texas recently asked me, Ramana, I have businesses. I'm also looking to set up a revocable living trust so that my family can avoid probate once I'm gone. How would they work together? How do I move my businesses into the trust? Well, good question. The first thing we'll have to look at is to look at the operating agreement. So if you have an LLC, an S corp, C corp, whatever structure that you might have, uh, we will have to look at the operating agreement to see if there are any transfer restrictions in the agreement that prohibits transfers. If there are no such restrictions, then what we would do is we would assign the interest of that particular person to the living trust. So that does not mean that the person somehow loses control of the business. Everything still is in his 100% control. All we are doing is we are assigning his interest to the revocable living trust. Now, keep in mind that the revocable living trust is not a separate legal entity. So it's not like you're relinquishing control. A revocable living trust is only a probate avoidance tool. In other words, they get to retain 100% control of their business, but also ensure that whatever assets that they pass down to their spouse and to their kids, that they avoid probate, and that their family will they don't have to go through probate court just to get those assets in their names.